Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between ZMO AI and Canva. We want to see which one wins. Hey creators, are you tired of spending hours designing graphics? AI tools like ZMO AI and Canva promise to make your life easier. But which one is best in 2025? Today we're putting them head to head in the ultimate showdown. Let's dive in. When it comes to AI-powered design, ZMO AI has advanced AI image generation and editing, while Canva has AI magic tools like Magic Edit and Magic Design. When it comes to templates, ZMO AI has fewer templates, but they are AI customizable, while Canva has about 500,000 plus professional templates. When it comes to ease of use, ZMO AI is slightly technical because it's AI focused, while Canva is super beginner friendly. When it comes to pricing, ZMO has free plan and paid plan, while Canva has a free plan and a pro plan where you pay $12.99 per month. And when it comes to what or who they are best for, ZMO AI is best for AI enhanced photos and unique designs, while Canva is best for quick social media posts and branding. When it comes to their unique perk, ZMO AI has AI background removal and face swap, while Canva has magic media, that is text to video. When it comes to collaboration, ZMO is limited, while Canva has real-time team collaboration. When it comes to mobile app, that of ZMO is decent and that of Canva is excellent, which is best for on the go. So in summary, we can say that if you need AI-powered next level photo editing, then ZMO AI is your go-to. But if you want endless templates and easy design, Canva rules. The choice depends on your needs. Which one do you prefer? Drop a comment below, and if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tool battles. See you in the next one. Peace out.